Hello everyone, I am Dinos and today I am going to show you the top 7 best Discord bots you should consider using in your server. I will be ranking them on their usefulness, uniqueness and ease of use. So let's not waste any more time and dive right into the video. Of our list is NQN aka Not Quite Nitro. It is a bot that allows you to easily add emojis into your server using the /emote upload command. You can also add packs of emojis from other servers and publish your own to use it later. As the name suggests, you can also use this bot to post animated or custom emoji without Nitro, though it posts a webhook that is seen by people, but it gets the job done. Coming in at number 6, we have Server Stats, a bot dedicated to provide detailed statistics and insights about your Discord server. It is a really easy to use bot. To activate it, just write /setup and it will give you some options, then automatically create statistics channels for you. You can also use other commands of the bot to customize it further. During the 5th place, we have Green Bot or any other music bot. After Rhythm and Groovy getting banned, there is no such great music bot to trust on. So I put this music bot on the list because it gets the job done. Also, don't forget that Discord is planning to add Rhythm bot in activity, which I will make a video on when the update gets live. But for now, I personally use this bot and I like it. Taking the 4th position is Arcane. Arcane is the goat of the leveling system. It offers almost all the features that Premium Mi6 has on its leveling system. I will also make a video about how to use the Arcane leveling system on mobile. Arcane also has many general features such as moderation, welcome message and etc. Securing a spot in our top 3 is TicketBot. TicketBot is a unique bot which makes answering questions or getting support much easier. It has a custom website where you can easily create a customizable ticket. There are also some tricks which you can use with the top 1 bot on our list to make a fully customized ticket from top to bottom. Coming in at strong 2nd place is DiscoHook, a fantastic bot that specializes in making your Discord server even more dynamic. DiscoHook allows you to easily create and send rich embeds. They also have a useful website where you can have a preview of what your webhook looks like, which makes creating embedded message easier. Honorable mention, I have picked Tag Memar. I didn't mention any game bots, but this one is special. It is the globally accepted currency which also has many fun and interesting commands that your server members will thank you for adding it in. Now the moment you have been waiting for. Taking the top spot on our list is Sapphire, a bot that truly stands out with its exceptional exploit. No, just kidding. This bot just destroys every other general purpose disk. With its ultra customizable embeds, welcome messages and webhook, you can create awesome drop-down menus which instead took hours for you to make it on your own. Generally, you can't create embeds with drop-down menus or buttons with webhook, but with a trick you can, and it just looks so good. This was all the bots for this video, and you will get all the invites and website links of the bot which I mentioned in the description. Hope you liked this video and comment if you want to see the best game bots in Discord.